The bicolor ear. In order to show the stitches more clearly, we'll use other colored yarn instead of black yarn for demonstration. Please refer to the stitches, ignoring the yarn's color. Working to match grain, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this. Make loop around your middle finger and pinch the crossover of the yarn. Insert hook into the loop on middle finger. Yarn under the hook and pull up loop. A magic ring is formed. In round 1, start with 1 chain stitch and then work 16 crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 16 crochets. Mark the first stitch. Continue to work 5 more single crochets. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Remove the marker. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 1 is done. In round 2, start with 1 chain stitch and then work set off 1 single crochet or increase for 3 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Work 1 single crochet. Mark the first stitch. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. The second set, work 1 single crochet and 1 increase. The third set, work 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Finally, work 1 slip stitch. In round 3, start with 1 chain stitch and then work set off 1 single crochet or increase 1 single crochet for 3 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Work 1 single crochet. Mark the first stitch. Next, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Next, work 1 single crochet. One set is done. The second set, work 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and 1 single crochet. The third set, work 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and 1 single crochet. Finally, work 1 slip stitch. Round 3 is done. In round 4, start with 1 chain stitch, then work set off 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 1 single crochet for 4 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. 1 single crochet, mark the first stitch, 1 increase, 1 single crochet. One set is done. The second set, work 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and 1 single crochet. The second set is done. The third set, work 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and 1 single crochet. The fourth set, work 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and 1 single crochet. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 4 is done. In round 5, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 16 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 16 single crochets. We need to work 1 single crochet in each of the stitches. Please finish the rest 10 single crochets in the same way. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 5 is done. In round 6, we'll change to gray yarn. Start with 1 chain stitch, and then work set off 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, 1 single crochet for 4 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Take out the gray yarn and wrap it around your fingers like this. Pinch the yarn tail and the fabric together like this. Yarn over the hook. And pull through the loop and hook. That's 1 chain stitch. The yarn change is done. Then we'll work set off 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, 1 single crochet for 4 times. work 1 single crochet first. Then work 1 decrease. Next, work 1 single crochet. One set is done. The second set, work 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, and 1 single crochet. The second set is done. Cut off the excess ends. The third set, work 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, and 1 single crochet. The fourth set, work 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, and 1 single crochet. Finally, work 1 snip stitch. In round 7, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 12 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 snip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 12 single crochets. Finally, work 1 slip stitch. Stretch the loop and remove the hook. Break yarn, leaving a long yarn tail. Cut off the short yarn tail. The bicolor ear is completed.